In this video, I am going to show you how to translate text from image in Google Translate using Google Lens. These are the images downloaded from WhatsApp. Now I have to save this before going to Google Translate. Open Google Translate and you can select your desired language here where you want to translate to. In my case, I am selecting Telugu. Tap on camera icon. It will be redirected to Google Lens. Tap on images icon and select your image. Automatically, this will change your content in your desired language. Now you can take a screenshot of this to send on WhatsApp. Whether if you want to copy the whole text from the image, you can just tap on select text. Now you can drag and you can select all the text and just copy text to send anyone, or you can save in your notes. In my case, I am just heading towards home. Automatically it will shows me the results in my desired language. If I change the language, then it will be changed automatically in that desired language, like this. Let me show you another image. Now you can directly select the language from here. In my case, you can see English to Hindi. Just tap on the language icon and you will get a list. I am selected Telugu and taken the screenshot further. Now crop the images and send this to the person who wants this translated image. Hope you like this video and consider subscribe for this kind of videos. See you in another video tutorial.